Hey guys, in this video we'll be talking about investing websites. So let's get started. Okay, so the first website on our list is Finnovation. So it is a new website. They also have a YouTube channel. You can see about them on about section. They do IPO research, information, blogs, online courses as well. So yeah, they have got quite a few following. And now let's move to the website. Okay, so first thing about their website is courses. They also provide courses about investing as well. First, I would recommend you go search the internet about investing and then buy their investment books. Okay, so they also can compare Zerodha, and now let's choose I guess Upstock, I think. Okay, so yeah, let's choose Upstock. Okay, they also require name. I don't want to put my name as of now. Best thing about the website is IPO. So as you can see, recent IPOs, and they have done research about recent IPOs. For example, let's click on Metropolis Health. Okay, so as you can see about everything about Metropolis Health, like literally everything, business strategies, then the amount of money they are earning right now, the amount of money they are losing right now. As you can see about their IPO, it shows the details and the face value of the share, and also amount the times the share was oversubscribed, details, price, charts, everything about company as well, which you require to invest in the company. So yeah, quite a good website. They also provide videos about IPOs. So yeah, if you are into that kind of thing, you can watch that. As of now, they don't have any blogs in English. So yeah, one bad thing about their website is upcoming IPOs. So they don't upload any videos regarding that, about details about it, because as time of watching this video, there are some IPOs coming up. IPO calendar is one thing where they shows IPOs and then dates which are already up. Okay, so the next website is investing.com. So as you can see, this website is currently in US format. I would like to change it into India format so that I can get news in India as well. So yeah, now let's change it to India. Okay, so after this, it is quite a good website. Not new basically, but good website. You can search for indices, commodities, forex. So if you are into that kind of thing where you want to become a trader or a stockbroker or an investor, you definitely need to have a look at this website, because without this website you can start. There are quite other websites like this as well, but we'll be talking about them later. As you can see, it shows economic calendars about different countries as well, top cryptocurrencies if you're into that kind of thing, Nifty 50s, average, monthly average indicators, buy or sell details. It also shows you tips, but I would not suggest to take tips from there and think about it yourself. Yeah, if you're into stocks and Nifties, then as you can see, there are list of companies which are in Nifty. Sun Pharma, I guess, is there. Sun Pharma was top option. Technical analysis also you can get about news as well. So this website is more of a stock market, like a stock information more than the business news. You get business news as well. So one bad about thing is I don't search mutual funds. Okay, so when I wrote HDFC mutual fund, it's not showing up, but when I write HDFC bank, it shows up and it gives me all the details about it. If you want to search for mutual funds, there is a website coming up, so watch the video, don't skip it. Okay, so when I click on HDFC Bank Limited, it shows me about details about everything in the stock chart. You can go in depth like 1 minute as well. As you can see, 1 minute chart, 5 minute chart, 15, 20, 1 minute, 1 month chart as well, 1 hour chart, 1 5-day chart, 1 day chart. So you get the idea about how deep the website is, and you can also chat about them and comment about the different companies which you feel. You can also get mobile apps if you want to learn about them in detail. You can also get technical analysis, you also get market news, you can get charts. Okay, so the next website is Money Control. So it is this website I was talking about, where you can search for mutual funds. They have a dedicated tab about mutual funds as well. This website is similar to Money Control, investing.com, but it is a website from India. So yeah, if you want to invest in mutual funds and don't want to invest in stocks, so you can have this. For example, I search for IDFC Nifty. So this mutual fund is the fund which I have invested in myself personally. This is a Nifty fund, because at the time of day I didn't have my Demat account, but that's different topic. It says CRISIL rank is 2. Okay, and it says that this is performing below average. Risk committer says it's moderately high. It doesn't matter, because Nifty, as it is going to grow, you can compare this fund from different peer funds as well, or you can compare it with directly a stock market. If you want to do that, you can also chat with them on their assistant. So yeah, it also shows about monthly average, quarterly average, daily average, now time period you have to wait to get a person percentage of amount of average as well. So yeah, they also shows you about different SIP returns and the ranks of different companies have gained crystal rank. Then there are, I guess, a lot of companies who give their own ranks. So I don't look into that matter. I do my research myself. I'll be making a video about how to do your research, and there will be an entire playlist of videos about how to start investing, from making a demat account to opening a demat account to getting a PAN card. So yeah, stay tuned and don't forget to hit the subscribe button if you are interested. As you can see, I'm seeing currently Nifty benchmark trade, right? It shows 9% and 11%, but my was performing a little less. You are also get chats on forums if you are into that kind of thing as well. And it's quite a nice website made by India. Follow it. I use this website more than investing.com because it is also helps in mutual funds as well. And you can also search for commodities, insurance, podcasts. But talk about podcasts later. If you're into MCX and commodities where you like to buy gold, silver, cotton, crude oil, anything like that, you can search here. So yeah, you can search for as well. So I was talking about podcast. So this company also has their podcast. If you want to listen and get about finance news during your commute, you can check that out. Okay, so next is Bloomberg Quint. You already know that how big the Bloomberg is, and their CEO founder is billionaire, so you get the idea how is. And in India they have partnered with Quint to give business news. So this website is specifically made for Indian audience and Indian businessmen. I will tell that this website is more of a business news and not market, not typically a market, but market news. So if you want to get business news, search and if you want to get market news, then search on Money Control or investing.com. So you can take a combination of those two websites and get yourself sorted. I particularly use this website for business news. As you can see, Parle is for ₹10 on the what was it. But yeah, the articles on this website are quite nice. Personally, I don't like to read articles. I am more of a video guy thing. So yeah, they also provide videos as well. Bloomberg Quint original. They also have a YouTube channel if you are interested in that kind of thing. Best part about their player is when you scroll down, the player minimizes, as you can see on the screen. So that is quite a nice thing. You can watch videos while scrolling through articles if you are into that kind of thing. They have got BQ exclusive news. So yeah, it's nice. You can see about different articles. Personally, I don't really like to read articles because they are quite time consuming and quite not immersive. I think it's my opinion. You can share it as well from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. Yeah, and that's it for this video, guys. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe to Nan Milan. Thanks for watching. Have a good day, guys.